7. Talk to Alex. Oh, Indaba. Talking my business is simple. Nazo zonke indaba zabasha.
She's here and she's ready for us to do into it too. And a bit of okuba nervous, but she is groaning and moaning because namhlanje we do it ngendlela ehlukile kunaleyo ayijwayele. And that feeling is suspense, experimenting, getting adventurous,
blindfolded.
But she's down already. Dr. Mthembu. Hello, Dokotela.
Hello, Alex.
How are you, Dokotela?
Ngiyaphila Mthiyane, niyaphila nani?
No, everything is okay.
Everything.
Everything is okay.
Everything, everywhere.
Everything.
Okay.
In fact, that part is esikhuluma ngayo lesinto umdavazo. If yona right, yonke into iba right, eh?
No, that's true. That's very true. Because ngibona ama couples mase sefika sekulungisile. No. Esengena umdavazo su right. Ubona indlela abahleka ngayo nje nomunye athi nginisiza ngani bahleke babukani bavele bahleke. I'm like I like that.
Oh, then kushuthi kwenzekile.
Yes.
Yeah. So kushuthi even people abama introverts nabantu aba conservative, but when it comes to such matters,
oh baby, I can take it out of you. I can take it.
So to someone othi yabo rigid,
tense.
Tense.
When it comes to that thing,
Hence people make commitments about fulfill, eh? Sure.
And promises. Yes.
Promises again. And I'll take care of you. I'll be
your everything.
Your everything. Your needs will be taken. But on come kwesikhathi uthola ukuthi ay man, izinto materialistic njengayi imali. I'm okay with him or her taking care of me, but khona le ndawo
totally.
No. So ngenze njani ke? Now I'm used to this lifestyle nalempilo entofo. Ngiyaphuma for the sake of true love or my happiness. Noma sengizohlala nje ngihlale le yona. That's a discussion. The power ama finances anayo in dictating ukuthi le relationship ikhona imile yini. In some instances uyayibuza ukuthi and why lo muntu ehlale eposter enza zonke izinto, holidays, expensive stuff, but vele upartner
yes.
No, akwenzeki kanjalo. She's happy there, but khona okunye okudegradayo zonke lezo zinto. Yeah. So ngiyafisa ukuthi sikhulume leyo, and just to remind you the show is not suitable for ingane. So yona topic yethu again namhlanje, all right? Financial power with relationship, but uthola ukuthi excitement ayikho. Can you get out of it? Noma you will disengage the temptation ugcine usuyithanda.
Bear it.
Yeah. It's possible, and it happens.
It happens.
And let's just say from the beginning, this thing ungayithola iyenzeka kuabantu besilisa who are providers abaphethe imali. And in some instances you'd find ukuthi even in same-sex relationship, the guy has the money.
Oh yes.
And then the other one ufila sengazi ukuthi ngikhona nje eceleni. Side chick stories as well. Yeah. Yes, Benton and all that. So let's get those experiences and solution yakhona. Mhlawumbe siqale nje lapho Dokotela ekutheni akekho umuntu ongathandi ukuphila i-soft life, more especially if it is sponsored by your partner, as we say. And then relationship bathi ikuba lula. But siyakwazi nakho ukuthi amanye ama breadwinners they get carried away uthola ukuthi easily, and usebona ukuthi sekhali sakhe sicathulo kule relationship and egcina siyehlisa ke nomuntu ke isithunzi. So what are some of the common signs ukuthi financial power le not uthando?
Izithando zethu asizibulisanga, sibulisa izithando zethu.
Ngathi musubulisa
nini? No, ayosithando sami wena, ngibulisa izithando zethu everywhere there. By the way, khona ongimisile endleleni today esikoleni ngiyolanda ingane, wathi kumina, no Alex, ungangivumela ukuthi ngene. Nivaleleni show no Alex. Bese ngathula ngambuka ngathi but ushuthi usilalelanga last week, you know.
All right.
So yes, izithando zethu zonke.
Okay.
Now, back to topic Mthiyane. Financial power, imali kubudlelwane nabantu abathandanayo. You know, imali isikhathi esiningi isho ipower kuko konke unayo nje uwedwa nawe uzizwa mohamba ubhampa ngoba unemali. Now even more so relationship whether ilo wesifazane onayo noma ilo wesilisa onayo kodwa egcineni loyo onemali more ku relationship kakhulukazi if ukuthi imali inkulu kakhulu lokho okuthi sekudala lo munye
ukuthi enkulu kakhulu.
Well kukhona lokuthola ukuthi unemali lokho ukuthi uzothi ku partner wakho ayiyeke ukusebenza ngoba le mali oyiholayo ngingakupha yona you know every day. Naye ayibona ukuthi uhola 7,000 rand into vele umthengele isketi sa 7,000 rand imali ayisebenza for the whole month. So uthola ukuthi lo muntu uzofuna ukucontroller ngemali such that ugcina su depend kuyena whichever way whether owesifazane noma owesilisa you know generally kulo wesilisa uthola ukuthi umuntu uzokuthengela izinto too much such that le yakhe impilo obuyazi obujwayele isi foreign kuwena usayazi ngoba sujwayele le lifestyle lena okuthi sokubukhuna ukuthi ungamshiya ngoba le mpilo asekufake kuyona iphezulu kakhulu and nabantu sebekubuka ngale ndlela kuyoba bukhuna ukuthi umshiye because sokufana nokuthi usuphinda back ka but also same with the women uthola ukuthi some women can be controlling nabo financially. Number one khona abantu besifazana nje abathi moholile iholo lakho lonke liza la kumina imina decide ukuthi uyisa kuphi so that way awusakwazi ukuyisa kini imali ingane zakho and things like that because nangumuntu wesifazana uyayicontrol imali yakho but also sokweyakheke umuntu wesifazana ungathola ukuthi because she has more money she's making more money kunawe kuba nezintwana nje uthola ukuthi wena ubona ngathi akasangihloniphi ngendlela because uzibona naye ene power you know ngawusabona ukulethela ngetray ukudla use expect ukuthi I mean ukudla zenzele ngoba ngiyasebenza ufunele ngifike usuphekile you know ngizovuka emsebenzini ubondlula umbhede so there's certain things ezigcina sezingena kubudlelwane benu ne relation ukuthi umuntu wesilisa nowesifazana kumele I partnership yabo ibanjani because of imali igcina sithenteka lento but at the end of the day lo osuka ephethe le power Mthiyane all they want is the power to control wena so whether lento ayenzayo kuwena ngemali or lento azenzayo zigcina zikwenza ufeel small but it's not about wena ne relationship but it's about controlling yonke into enzeka kwi relationship.
Usuphendulile in part question to Dr. Benzobuza because usungena even na kuma signs alokho ngoba into common ukuthi in relationships akubona abantu abalinganayo financial well-being but the difference now is ekutheni because law onemali kakhulu ugcine senza izinto ezenza ukuthi kungabi normal relationship so nomunye ke usekubekezelela lokho. Now how do you do introspection ke wena engizothi uyi victim in inverted commas in this regard with soft life versus the abuse?
You know good relationship Mthiyane kufanele uwazi umehluko phakathi kokuhlonipha umuntu wakho nokumsaba so umuntu wakho if umhloniphi uyamhlonipha nje kodwa awusabi ukumtshela into ofuna ukumtshela yona or whatever but uma sekufika la ukuthi usuyamsaba kunezinto ozibambayo nongazisho ngoba usaba ukuthi uzothini or izinto azenzayo nezi wrong ozibonayo ukuthi zi wrong mhlambe useyajola over or noma nilala ngocansi ukwenza kabhlungu but uyasaba you know ukusho because uyazi ukuthi either uzobesta but unalento ukuthi uyena right and or into efunwa uyena you know I right that's becoming wrong Mthiyane but also uthola ukuthi if kuukuthi lo muntu wakho if kuukuthi uyasebenza wena uthola afuna ukuthi uyiqede yakho imali before ekunikeze yakhe you know that is part of control ngoba ufuna ukwenza sure ukuthi wena le onayo imali yakho ayiphele kuzubuye futhi wena uzodependa kuyena so that all the time uyena ocontroller izinto ukuthi kwenzakalani if kukuthi nama assets enu noyi2 uzotholta ngegama lakhe you know umuzi ngegama lakhe zonke izinto imoto ngegama lakhe so that you know one day esethi thatha ibhanji uphuma nalo ibhanji lakho lelo.
Wait a minute Hotel. So when you are given a cell phone, car, but how then do you say oh thank you but at the same time ngifuna ubona ukuthi ibhalwe ngobani how do you do that ngoba
but awenzi kanjalo Mthiyane not that time I mean uyajabulela ke sesikhathi umuntu ekuniki
but awukwazi ukuqhwanda uzobuza and thinking of ukuthi the day kuphela I won't have anything against lo muntu ngoba vele it's in his or her name.
And not just sathandana ngoba that goes further even if senishadile uthola ukuthi kunezinto that's in a name or in name yalwa muntu uthola ukuthi uma sekuthiwa seniyahlukanisa then usunenkinga uthola ukuthi ezinye izinto eziyizikweleti uzibhale ngawe ama assets kodwa wabhale ngaye ukubona so wena uthi suphuma if kukuthi usi decide ukuphuma sunezikweleti but even more you know ukushia if you decide ukuthi uyayishare your relationship for whatever reason njengoba ukhuluma introspection you must understand ukuthi kubukhuni it's very hard ukushare your fancy life leyo it's very hard ngoba iaddictive kunezinto osuzijwayele sujwayele ungena ezitolo ezithize uzenzele ujwayele ukushaya ngeemoto ezithi click click you know ubona akukhomba umuntu phezulu so kunezinto osuzijwayele okugcina even wena msalofu usuthi hlamba lento ngingayigwinya ngingayistamaka for the sake of this but that is when you need ke wena to be very strong in your mind that's where you need ukuthi ube ne counseling so that lento yakho uyidecide ukuthi ngiyayenza lento and there's nothing greater than ukuthi ube nemali engeyakho.
Sure. I-topic yethu namhlanje ileyo ke yokuthi ukwi relationship usenkingeni phakathi kokuchoose isoft life ne abuse financial power kwi relationship khona ama stories athi umuntu ngi right manje ngingenamoto ngihlala emqashweni kunalempilo bengiphila before because ibukeka all good but at the same time bengekho happy and bengabuseka and then isithuze sami besinganakwa uphume kanjani kuyona or ukuyona and I would like to hear my stories again if kuthi mhlambe wena uyi provider and wena wenza yonke into but lezinto esikhuluma ngazo uyabona ukuthi kahle wena lokukhulunywa ngawe kwenzekani lapho singena ke kwi psychological part of it as well 031 537 3000 inamba leyo 031-537-3000 on Facebook, Indaba with Alex, on Instagram and Twitter at Alex Mthiyane. Now, it goes even further because it's calling a relationship and scenarios. But emtavazweni ke nakhona and you hear of abantu complaining about slut sex and uthola kubiza ngamagama angahlali kahle kuwena and isimilo sakho siyehla ubizwa ngesifebe kanjalo and doing izinto that are degrading njengokuthimisela ngamathe paying on you njalo so without even giving you ithuba lokuthi uyavumelana yini nayo lento so what are some of the ways ongayisebenzisa ukuthi ukhulume naye just ukumtshela ukuthi ngifila kanje about this I don't see this being a comfortable conversation ongavele uyiqale nje
look Mthiyane generally umuntu onaleyo nhlobo yepower they feel ukuthi they own you and they own even nento ozoyisho ngoba you have to be careful ukuthi uzothini again and of course thina la kune show sizothi no hlala phansi nomuntu wakho enikhulume talk first umtshele ukuthi bona ngifila kanjena ngalento yenzayo but do they care you know about how you feel or bakubona nawe uhenye yemoto zakhe lezazibhake kwi garage you know uhenye ye furniture yakhe or ezinye izinto okumele you know zithobele lo mthetho wakhe nento azifunayo zemali you know and most of the time uthola ukuthi kumuntu o powerful ngaleyo ndlela uzokuzwa nje ukuthi aya ngikufuna lokho but uzokutshela ukuthi phela ngizoya kwabanye abakufunayo ukwabona if uthi angifuni ukulala nawe kanje uzokutshela ukuthi akubalele futhi into wenzele zona because most of the time it's not into ukuthi kwayena ufuna ukuzishare nawe ufuna yena ukuthola lokho afuna ukuthola kuwena you know in exchange for money ngoba kuyena yonke imali
what is it let's name it
well noma yini umuntu omzodo wakho umdavazo or ukuphimisela ngamathe nje ubusho ukuthi emakade selale nawe akugovozise ngale ndlela ayifunayo aletha abanye abantu you know ekhaya lale nabo ukhona kwelinye ikamelo so ziningi
izinto that imali nalawo ma benefits
so in other words you know either uthi lalela ngikushadile or ngikuphi imali so keep quiet what more do you want kanti wena ufuna relationship
all right as pendulum at the same coin dokotela you sometimes you do have in business you have a client engakuphathi kahle ekwehlisa isithunzi but ubusu uyabuka ukuthi until ngibe nenye indawo ozoqhamuka kuyona le income ayithi ngifunde
absolutely
and nasemsebenzini as well uthola ukuthi I don't like this job but because of ukuthi angawutholi omunye is there a situation where someone is going through all of this but use okay with it ngenxa yokuthi I benefit ayithola kuyona ilingana nokuthi anginakho okunye engareplace ngakho.
Absolutely ngoba you know imali what it is, it's a medium of exchange. It's exchange for something. But if kuguthi wena ukuthola imali alright ngangokuthi lo muntu akranule ngalendlela afuna ukulala nawe ngayo enzeni, but at the end of the day uzobonakala emall wena uhamba ngaleza moto usemkhumbini wenzani, you know, and you are fine with that ngoba leyo nto wena ikunikeza lokho ngawe, then it's okay. You know kuwena. But kumuntu ofuna ukuphuma, I generally say always have a backup, a safety plan. Ungavela usheshe uphume nje ngoba it will really frustrate you. You know, ugcina usuzibona usuphinde emuva kanti busokumele ngempela uqhubeke uhambe. So once you decide mentally ukuthi lalela ngiyaphuma la, do have a safety plan qala usangaphakathi buplana ukuthi okay mhlawumbe kunemali engizibekayo for this or even
imali ebekayo uqonda ukuthi oyintshontshayo untshontshelele yena.
No, but akupartner wakho phela imali, so yazibek, but also uzifundise, educate yourself, do something, start training, start a business, so that should anything happen angithi uyayibona wena, so should anything happen so uyazi ukuthi ngizokwazi mina ukuziphilisa kanje ngoba upartner wakho obe nemali ayikho into ayifunayo more uma senihlukene nokuthi akubona ukuthi uhlupheka ngoba uzobona ukuthi uyamdinga.
Sure. 1920 uthini ke wena 031 537 3000 kafushane nje dokotela before siye ku caller number 1. We call this a power kumuntu omenzi nomuntu oyiprovider. Kwenzakalani kwi state of mind sakhe uvela vuka ekseni athi umuntu this is power because we learn by copying izinto esizibona sizi admire, thus breeding leso sense siqhubeke njalo. A young guy could see, or a young lady or whoever abone it gives power dokotela uwenza ukuthi. So now kwenzekani kulo muntu yini le eshoda kuye such that awunandaba nemali as long as uzothola lento oyitholayo and without caring ukuthi ufila kanjani umuntu oyireceive.
You know isikhathi esiningi lo muntu usuke ese imali isi almost like uNkulunkulu kuyena esezibona naye futhi ese uNkulunkulu ngoba imali isimnikeze lento ukuthi uzibona emkhulu more than anything. But more isikhathi nesiningi akamthembi omunye umuntu. So even if ukhona wena uyathandana nawe but kunento kuyena ezitshela ukuthi vele ufuna imali. So if yena ezokwenza lezi zinto kodwa akunika imali, it's almost as if uyathola vele into ofuna ngoba kumina ufuna imali rather than me. Ukwabona? Yes.
Okunokwenzeka futhi kube iqiniso. In some instances, when I'm there for the money anginandaba ukuthi ngithetha kanjani.
Absolutely.
All right. So ungakwazi ukushintsha from yona.
Usho wena umuntu onemali?
Yes,
absolutely Mthiyane, because kwakona lokho ukuthi wena you are buying uthando ngemali ukugula ukwabona. So we need to then sithola ukuthi yini le wena ekwenza ukuthi uzibone ungaphelele uwena nje. And you need to then involve imali in a flashy life kuzuzidayise kuzuthandeke either kulezi intombi lezi ezinhle or you know labafana ngoba it happens a lot also with these young boys othola ukuthi very rich men balala nabo and akumnandi but bathola all the goodness ngoba balala no soma business no who's who. Uyabona? So but kusuke kunento engaphelele kuyena lo muntu, and sometimes futhi Mthiyane ngithola ukuthi kulabantu othola ukuthi balala lo basuke vele even ubudoda babo bengabuthembi. You know, feeling ukuthi yona indoda kakhulu but akahlali nomuntu oyedwa kuze umuntu oyedwa abone ukuthi hey lo muntu induku yakhe ayisebenzi. But angithi uyamazi unentombi eziningi nabantu abaningi uzothola ukuthi nje bela kumina engasebenzanga kahle kusho ukuthi ube kubani, you know, and ube nabanye and they also have this front yokuthi because nginabafazi abaningi or nentombi eziningi people are going to think ukuthi hey nginenduku ngiyashaya kanti it's the opposite.
Okay. Kungaba umuntu esifazane okule position not abesilisa kuphela.
Which position?
The position yakho.
Okay.
Le oyivezayo. Yes. Or yobudokotela esho because you are powerful and then the people obenza kubo lokho it's abanye abantu or abafana abancane nje obudokotela ekubeka. Anonymous eThekwini seGagasini.
Yebo sawona futhi Alex.
Siyakumukela Gagasini Anonymous.
Yebo dokotela njani?
Sisi kunjani?
Yaphila. Well mina ngowesifazane ukuthi nami kuyenzeka kumina angisebenzi ngine boyfriend ke ukhokhile ekhaya so ujwayele ukuthi if ngithi angikho right for ukwenza sex ukuthi mhlawumbe ngikhathele or something uzofuna ukulala nami ngenkane efukhokha phela ekhaya nezinto akangenzele zona yangibalela mhlawumbe ukuthi impahla mangabe mhlawumbe esixabeni mase ngithi ngizama ukuthi ngiyahamba mhlawumbe ngiyasamoya ukuyopholisa ikhanda ngingathathi izinto ezathengwa ngemali yakhe so nje uyayikhulumela imali yakhe nje izinto angenzela zona uba nomuntu ojike ekhulume kube nzima futhi ukuthi ngisebenzise lezo zinto phela uyaphumela ngabe nokucela izinto since nami ngingakasebenzi nje kuyileyo nto so even like I'm afraid ukuphuma kodwa kunalokhu ukuthi mangikhuluma naye uzoya nguye understand ukuthi even like ngifuna imali yakhe uma ngive ubenefita kuye because uyasho nokuthi ngoba mina ngingasebenzi ngizela ukuthi ngoba ngiyamazi ukuthi usebenzaphi ngizobenefita if mhlambe kwenzeka something kuyena so nje kunjalo.
All right, Ima, before Dr. Kuphendule ma'am, you said ukuthi usekhokhile so uyingoduso yakhe.
Yeah.
Ucelile noma ulobolile? Ulobolile so ufiyanze lo so umkhwenyana and khonto ishilo la uthi kuwe you are here for imali kunjalo yini noma uthando lwangempela?
Uthando but then ukwenza lehle uthando if yena engithitha ngalendlela le kwenza lehle because
all right okay
yeah.
doc
Look Mthiyane, I think if ubhuti number 1 kuyena othi kusisi uzele uthando imali and yethu sisi ngokwakhe ubekadezela uthando kukodwa lokho kuyakwenza ufile cheap ngoba ubona ngathi lo muntu ukubona ngathi wena uyadayisa and especially ngoba ubhuti ubuyamforce usisi ukuthi if ethi ngikhathele or kubhlungu whatever ngifumi athi ngikukhokhelile ilonto into yenza kumuntu oyithengayo into yakhe you know not umuntu owakha naye ubudlelwano obuhloniphekile you know so usisi look uyamthanda ubhuti so my advice really would be ukuthi sis awukuqala ukukhulume naye or if uhluleka wena ukukhuluma naye hamba uhlangane nomuntu oyicounselor enzokwazi ukuthi nikhulume naye ukuze understand ukuthi ngalendlela akhuluma ngayo ngawe ikwenza ufile kanjani wena and affecta kanjani uthando leni ngoba kwayena uyafuna umthande but somewhere somehow akakholwa either you know i-background akhula kuyona isayingane mhlawumbe he had to buy his way through into eziningi you know bethandwa ngobe nento mhlawumbe you know so manje naye ubona ukuthi nawe umthanda because enotho you know thizeni so uthola umuntu ongakaza azalithola uthando la ngempela even mhlambe from uma wakhe so it's important ukuthi ukumthola ngeke uzokwazi ukumtshela wena you know lokho but omunye umuntu oyi third person o trained uzokwazi ukuthi ambonise lokho but also ambonise ne value yothando lakho ukuthi luyini kuyena.
No sikufisela inhlanhla ma try it ngoba mayithi udokotela mbonisa ukuthi ufila kanjani ngifila sengazi ukuthi into esuke wayenza leyo already ukumtshela ukuthi ayiphathi kahle leyo nto ikuhlisa isithunzi
because abonje nezinto nishimpa zokugqoka angithengele zona because mina ekhaya angivulela lona ukuthi ngibe nempahla ngithathe imoto yakho so akusavumi ngisebenzise because kunalokho nje nalokho ukuthi iphela impahla ezathi ngoyena kunzima.
Yeah. Well, sisi, but also while you are there and if kuguthi yakuphi imali, you know, just build yourself. Funda uzama ukwenza izinto nawe for yourself, not because uthi uzomshiya, but also mhlambe he's also financially frustrated. Kubhlungu lo uyabona kubukhona ukuthi le supporta nawe, you know, wena. So try and build yourself so that now uzokwazi ukuzimela financially, but also so you can balance out insizane also financially.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, sis, good luck. Sure. Yabona siyenza kanye into yethu.
We can.
Hey?
No.
It's 1928 is the Gagasi 031-537-3000. This show is not suitable for children. Sikhuluma la ngendaba yepower yemali uma kuukuthi umuntu onaye kwi relationship ilokho vele khona and egcina sekuabuser and you feel ukuthi akulona uthando lwangempela and ekusetshenziswa ke imali but awusekho happy mhlawumbe ku daily relationship oshintshile waboniswa your story
ezocansi on Indaba njalo ngo7 kuya ku8 pm.
It's 1932 Indaba Gagasini and iba khona njalo ngolwesine from 7 to 8 with udokotela and I podcast yalo hlelo nazo zonke indlela esike sazenza previously uyathola kwi podcast yethu kwi app Gagasi FM so ungayi download nje for free. Asithathe ke nangu anonymous doc calling us from Emoy River. Anonymous sabona?
Yebo sawubona Alex Network.
Yes anonymous.
Yebo mina esami story Alex sithi ngumuntu nginophathini na 2 years sithandana. Inkinga yami enginayo noma story sami sithe kodwa mina owami uphathina uyangenzela zonke izinto akathanda ukuthi angenzele zona. Uyathanda ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi athi ngihambe ngiyokwenza ikhanda noma ngivakashile khona engikeze imali mhlambe noma engathini kodwa nje ukuthi ngiyibheke nje iphakethe.
Yes.
Mhlambe nje 300 rand ngenyanga. Istory sami sithi ke mina inkinga enginayo khona kubo kwakhe bayakhuluma bathi mina ngaza kuye ngazodla imali angizanga ngokuthi ngifuna ukuthi sithandane qhubekele phambili mina wayi ngingazali futhi mina njalo nginikeza imali kuthe ngonye usuku bekade ngikhona ngimvakashela wathi ngihambe ngiye esaloni ngiyokwenza ikhanda okushuthi nasekudlula izinsuku sengihambile uma wakho useyakhuluma utshela yena ukuthi ayicha niyawanika abamantombazane mina bengisacela udokotela ngisiza ukuthi mina ngempela kufanele ngikwenze kuphi ngoba akukho nengade ngacela kuyena even ngisho ethama ngikazi ngicela ungipha yena lokho afisa ukuthi ngiphe yena noma ngithengele into leyithandile ukuthi ngikuthengele ukuthi bengithanda ukuthi kodwa manje nase kuzofika la gabeni sokuthi abazali bakhe bekhulume bethi mina ngisho dadewabo nobhuti bakhe mina ngazodlala yakhe why mina ngingazali abantu bebe bengazali lonto leyo ngiphatha kabi kakhulu futhi enhlizweni yami sengihlezi nje nginhliziyo engekho right ngoba hayi ukuthi ngoba mhlambe kuukuthi bangangizofuna imali yakhe noma kwakwenze njani cha yena unayo impela imali kodwa mina ngithatha le akanginikeze yona ayikho engithatha ngendlela ukuthi mina ngisuke ngizoyifuna uyengiphaye.
Anonymous.
Yes.
Le ngxoxo ebakhona phakathi kwakhe noma wakhe nodadewabo ifika kanjani kuwena?
Mina ngizwa ngaye sengixoxa ukuthi lezi zinto ngiyakwenzela kodwa la ekhaya kuthiwa wena ukanje ngawe.
Okay.
Sinesikhathi singanani naye anonymous?
Sina 2 years sithandana this year siqala 3 years.
Oh, okay. Look, number 1 ngaloko wengane nisana 2 years nisafundana akakezi vele ekhaya kini kusimali usayispenda kuwena naye imali so if kuukuthi naye ubefuna ukuthi nibe nalobo budlelwano obuqhubekayo le mali ayispenda kuwena ubengakwazi ukuthatha lo mali ezekhaya ezozibonisa ukuthi uzimiseleni ngawe but nginayo iwari
vele doc usezile ekhaya wazocela.
Okay kuhle lokho kodwa ke so usho ukuthi ingodosi khona kushuthi bashesha ke nabo ekhaya ukuthi sebefuna ingane ngoba nisazana kodwa ngenewari yakhe yokuthi akwazi ukuzokutshela wena izinto ezishiwa abantu bakubo lokho kukodwa ikona okubanga ingxabano phakathi kwenu kanti yena kufanele number 1 akuprotecte kubantu bakuwe kodwa futhi bakubo but also aprotecte izinto abazishoyo abantu bakubo kuwena lalela abantu basemzini njalo bohlala benento abazoyisho ngawe ibabhlungu uma sifika kuwena kakhulukazi umama umama uba nesikhwele kabi ngengane yakho especially ngoba nawe usukuzifuna lezi imali manje masusubona ezibenda komunye umuntu iba khona lo attach omncane so ngokwami sisi ungali impi engayone yakho akuyona yakho le impi yasekhaya wena kuphela ukuziprova ukuthi uze ngane lana uqhubeke nokuthandana nomuntu wakho but also ukumbonise nje ukuthi akumnandi lento ukuthi akutshele ukuthi bathini and futhi umbonisa ngathi you understand ukuthi vele ekhaya nomunye umuntu nomunye umzali engafeel that way but akumnandi kuwena uma lento isifika ngendlela efike ngayo but don't take it too personal sis ngifila ngathi nawe ugibela kulona le hashi ngoba nawe ufuna ukuba nento ozolwa ngayo don't take it personal wena you must prove yourself nje ku relationship ukuthi ngempela I'm here for love and that's why I'm here.
Yes, kusenhlanhla ke sis. All right, siyabonga. Okay, so kuyenzeka lokho. Uthola ukuthi njenganje in this case ubhuti uyena sure ukuthi ekhaya bathi.
Uyabona wena iqoke empeleni.
Yeah, utsamdlisa ngapho ngiyadlala.
Uba nodlisa omunye manje.
Sisters.
Andisubhuti ukuthi uyabona
ukuthi uzoyilanda zonke. No akujalo. Anani masethekwini sabona?
Alex, khaba kanjani bafowethu?
Sure, kunjani kuwena?
Angikhona futhi. Unjani dokotela?
Ngiyaphila baba, niyaphila nani?
Ngiyaphila nami. Nami ngithi ake ngiphawule kulolu daba lokuthi kuyithiwe uma ngabe kunamasentshana ngakuwena wena owesilisa kuye bese ngathi lo wesifazane uyamhlukumeza. Eyami relationship iphela izolo bafowethu.
Awuncese yini?
Kubhlungu Alex kodwa kuthekisa futhi at the same time ngoba nami bengitshela ukuthi yabona njengamanje lo muntu lo uzothi makuphela lo nyaka ngoba unyaka wesibili ngithi kuzothi makuphela unyaka nami kube namasentshana ngiwabhekisa ngasekhaya ku ayike izolo ke wangitshela ukuthi engeke ayikho le nto yabo lesimo sokuthini kodwa ke mangabe nje indaba yethi iqonde ukubone mangabe umuntu wakho umazi nanokuthi manisaqala ukwazana ngicabanga ukuthi ucansini lwenza noma inini lo kanjani so kwahamba thina siqala ukwazana ngokuphelile so kwahamba kwavela indaba ukuthi kuke kwaba khona uma wengane so uma wengane bezama indaba ukubuya naye so yamcasula leyo nto so usephika ngalokho ukuthi hayi mina njengoba ngathanda ukuba necansi nawe ngoba nakho wena wasobabuya uma wengane yayibona lona
walala inoma wengane
nanokusondela nje eduze kwakha
okay
so kwagcina sekumuntu ophelelwa yimizwa noma othi uphelelwa yimizwa ngenxa yokuthi mina ukuthi mina noma wengane khona into esiyenzayo yabo so lento yenzeka unyaka lo osisuka kona uphela so kuthe maqala lo nyaka engabona akusekho mnandi kwe relationship yethu yabona so sekungiphoqa ke manje ukuthi ukuze kube mnandi kufanele ngi-overspend uthothi mangifuna ukumsebenzisela ngiyafanekisa nje mangifuna ukumnikeza mhlawumbe u500 kuzongiphoqa ukuthi ngimnikeze u1000 at least yabo ukuze inhliziyo yakhe ijabule
yabona ke la uyakhona ke la bengifuna siyakhona I understand ukuthi emotional leyo yokuqala ukuthi kunoma wengane but ake siyibhake leyo I'm interested kule yemali iqala ekutheni you compensated for ukuthi ufuna ukumenza abe happy to prove ukuthi story sika baby mama asikho so waseke allowance usuyinyusa uma menzela izinto yes but if umuntu ebenefita kanjalo there must be something ethi mhlambe nawe busebenzisa leyo financial power which brings us back to topic namhlanje there is a part you have not shared with us and I'm interested to ukuyizwa ekutheni kuhlangana kanjani imali oyispenda kuye or umnika yona nokuthi angabe happy still
ngifuna ukuya la thenini inhloso yami bekuwukuthi mhlambe yena abone ukuthi nginaye most of the time and ngithanda ejabulile so ngimnikeze lokho ukuthi akahamba kokwenza noma ayithanda ukuyenza ukuze ahlele ejabulile yabo so kodwa bengigcina ngibona ukuthi ngiyakwenza lokho okumjabulisayo ngicabanga ukuthi kuzomjabulisa uyenziwa lo muntu ikhanda uyagidza isemsebenzini uyalanda uyabuyiswa mefuna ukuya noma ikepha kukho la angakwazi ukuya khona imoto ihleli ikhona ihlezi ready for yena yabo uhlezi nayo imali azokwazi ukuyisebenzisa makhona amasentshana ashoda nje bengasebenzi nje ngimfakele leyo mali kwesinye isikhathi azabuza ukuthi hayibo bebe yani ngithi naye bona ukuthi wenzani lapho yabona lonto ngenhloso ukuthi ngifuna ahlezi happy
so ama reasons zakhe okuyiqeda relationship athi
baby mama
nako lokho kodwa futhi phela ngithi besingafathina besingasalali ngale yandlela besilala ngaso ngagcina nami ngimbuza hayi ngisasengedwa kodwa noma mhlawumbe sekukhona umunye ongilekelela kule ikhephela la ekhaya yabona lonto so wa end up esike hayi ngoba mina ngiyam accuse for asivele siyeke lento yena phela indaba ukuthi ngilodane ngim accuse ayo.
Okay. Look, number 1 ngale ndaba ya baby mama and nale drama usisi I created ngokusho kwakho. I think ukuthi lento it's about her past experience. Konke yenzeka in the past, you know, either no baby mama nokuthi umuntu akamthanda before wabuyelana nomuntu, so that thing I'm scared. But also I do feel ukuthi you are a bit too much. Yazi umuntu wesifazane nakhona if usugood kakhulu indoda so menzela yonke into kunaka ukumcika kancane, you know, so I feel ukuthi busu too much menzela yonke into muphi imali engayicelile ukuwabona, so busugcina usumcika because of that too much ukuwabona. Kan sometimes funela ubuyiwa kubamba matom, you know, abuya kwazi ukuzithoba naye eze kuwena ezokucela into akubonisa ukuthi uyamdinga manje wena busunika nje, you know, so wabona ukuthi kwa wena uyamthenga, so wabona ukuthi umthanda kakhulu, so that is why ekwaze ukuthatha advantage ngawe. So sorry about that, but I don't think it was about you but more about her own self and own insecurities and her own past eyenza ukuthi akulahle.
Shopper for sharing stories sakho, but le relationship ephela izolo, so kusangenzekana noma yini mayise calm down.
Mhlawumbe sisulalele nje sisi, calm down lovey.
Even umuntu onemali we relationship uyaba a victim. That's the part esingakhuluma ngayo.
Okay.
Yes, but now sikhuluma ngendaba yokuthi ungenzisana noma yini into engehlisa isithunzi because uyangithenga because unemali. But the instances la uthola khona ukuthi naye ke lo onemali and kube reverse psychology, I mean manipulate kanjalo umblackmail ngokuthi because unemali.
Yes no kuyenzeka lokho absolutely. Uthola ukuthi lo onemali njengaye ubhuti ube nemali but usisi has used it against him ukuwabona ukuthi noma unginika nemali yakho but it's not enough ukuwabona, so kuyenzeka lokho. But even more uthola ukuthi lo muntu azama ukuthi akubonise ukuthi kwayona mali yakho leyo is not everything. Uthola ukuthi wena uzomthengela le moto lezi ezinkulu avela athi no ngifuna usithengele yamahambe athenge ngale encanyana ngeke ngiwasha amagama ukuwabona, because that's also a power play to show you ukuthi lalela I can do it on my own, kodwa kube iqiniso as enjoy lezi zinto omnikeza zona. But somewhere along the line kuyenzeka ukuthi abantu in relationship babe ne competition of ukuthi who's who in the zoo. Nithandana ngokakhulukazi uma nomunye sebenza but so lo oletha in more money and has got more status kube nento yokushayana nje, omunye afuna ukushaya ukuthi hey lo muntu lona mina ngakuthanda ungelutho wena uphuma le emaplazini manje suwutho suyangichomela kodwa umchomeli but uyena nje ozama ukuthi akwehlise kancane kuze ube ku level yakhe.
Sure. Ngakuthola le emaplazini ako Richmond kanje.
Empangeni.
Indaba is produced by Mthembu on Gagasi FM.
Usakakaseni Indaba 1945 and this show is not suitable for ingane. Inamba ke 0315373000. All right. Ngizofuna nayi message evela kulindani maphumulo la on Twitter doc. The paradox of choice can cause life unsatisfactory. Being in a relationship where one has power, when it's toxic, focus and get out. Don't do for others, but don't do it for you. Advance yourself before you get out. Khona into enjengaleyo ishilo earlier ekutheni invest in developing yourself and
have an exit plan.
All right, sure. Sathu anonymous eThekwini, number 0315373000. Anonymous someone?
Yebo ngiyandingelela Alex nodokotela Mthembu.
Hello anonymous.
Yebo. Nami nginenkinga lana ngithandana nomuntu onemali. Yabo. Ngase ngathola ingane yakhe. Manje naloku kuba nemali kwakhe uyakusebenzisa kakhulu ushela ngakho and useze wathandana even ngisho lo sisibami nje emsebenzini nje kuyabhuza nje mina ngibukeka njengesilima nje emsebenzini ngenxa yakhe. Nje ingiphatha kabuhlungu lento ngoba kunemali nje ingane futhi akayona. And enye into engiphatha kabuhlungu ukuthi angazi ukuthi abangani bami bathola kanjani uyithatha phi inamba zabo ngoba uvesana abone nje ukuthi umuntu sengijwayele yazi mina ngisenamngani angisenasisi ngoba meke ukwabona nje ukuthi nene khona umuntu esengixoxa naye mhlawumbe ngimxoxela ngoba ukubhlungu lento le engathi ungalokho uyixoxela umuntu ngithi ngiyabona umuntu usethandana naye mina ngifisa ukwazi ukuthi ngempela kwenzakalani ukungiphatha kabuhlungu kakhulu owengane angafuthi yabo mangikhuluma indaba yemali vesana ngithuke kube sengazi ukuthi mina nginecala mangikhuluma indaba yokuthi hawu uyenzela into kanje yamantombazane hayi vesane njike sengixolisa ngibe ngingenzanga lutho yes
yeah
okay uyasiza udokotela uthini
yes. And you know Mthiyane now anonymous that is a classic example of umuntu ocontrolayo ngemali ubhuti ngeke ngisho ukuthi akakufuni but ubhuti ufuna ukuthi udansele esandleni sakhe njalo you know the fact ukuthi abantu abaseduze kwakho ufuna ukuthi ungabi nabangani ngoba umuntu ofuna ukucontrola no abusive ufuna ukuthi isolate ungabi namuntu so that when uzodependa kuyena kuphela the fact ukuthi ingane akafuni unemali uzinika intombi and everyone else but ingane akayondli angithi ufuna wena imali uhlupheke ngemali so that uzomdinga uzobona nesidingo sakhe ukwabona and uthandana nabantu abaseduze kwakho ngoba ufuna ukwehlisa isithunzi sakho so basically yena he lives on ukuzama ukwenza something kuwena ukuhlokoloza somehow you know excuse the pun ukuhlokoloza somehow ngoba yena ufuna attention yakho only because ufuna ukucontrol you know and ngiyakuzwa ukuthi uyamthanda unfortunately
yabona nje ngicela dokotela usanda kungithengela ifoni enhle yezwa ngayibuza ngathi hawu ngoba uyakhombisa ukuthi khona okuhle afuna ungenzela kona pho amantombazane why lobuhlungu angizwisa bona obungaka
but manje sithandwa sami why wena ubona ukuthi uthando ukuthi ukuthengela ifoni rather than ukuthi uyakuhlonipha engajoli nabantu abazoleduze kwakho abazokululaza isithunzi why ukuthi mekuthengela ifoni ubona ngathi uthando lolo
cha nami ngithi lento engiyibuza yona ukuthi why vele
ilona usuke ufuna ukuxolisa ngezenzo zakhe
well to me angiboni ukuthi uyaxolisa ngibona ukuthi uyakuthenga still it's just a way ukuthi uhlale ubambekile kunoqhaka ulokuzitshela ukuthi ha usane interest kumina but at the same time uwenza lezi zinto eceleni ezikwenza ukuthi ululazeke at the end of the day sithando sami lento ikwena you need to decide ukuthi wenze njani but before you decide anything whether uyahlala naye or not kumele ilungelo lengane you know ulitholakala ayondle ingane yakhe it's very important ukuthi athengele ifone akondle ingane yakhe that's more important but thola ukuhlala phansi naye ukhulumisane naye mhlambe ngempela unenkinga yokungazithembi nokusaba usaba ukukuluza uzama ukucontrol
cela ungene emlonyeni dokotela uyabona mangabe ngithi ngiyakhuluma ngihlala naye phansi akafuni ngisho ukizwa leyo nto siyaxabana ngisho ukuxabana
ngithi akakuhloniphi that's why because akakuhloniphi yonke into ayenzayo ubonisa ukuthi akakuhloniphi so noma yini uzoyisho wena ngeke azayithathe leyo nto ngoba ngeke azayihloniphi which is why I suggest getting umuntu wesithathu kuyena ozongenelela kulento so that after lokho senike nahlale nomuntu ozoyihlaziya lento nanaye ambonisa ubrong bakhe if eqhubeka then sorry sithandwa sami sometimes uMosi kumele ashone kuze kuvuka uJoshua
before sikudedele sisi ngikuzwe kahle ngaseqaleni ngiyafisa ukuthi before uhamba dokotela ayiphendule le abantu bakini nabantu osebenza nabo and abangani bakho
nodadewabo
bayazi ukuthi unemali right bayazi so if usuke uhlukumezekile ekuhlukumezile uyuxoxe kubona futhi and then emva kwalokho kunefite sethandana nabo labo bantu so kusho ukuthi abantu abakwispace sakho bayamhalela lo muntu and bayiphose kuyena because ubatshela izinto ezinhle akwenzela zona but bese bethola intuba
abantu vele abaziyo nje abantu abavela bayamazi
okay
anonymous ngicela ukubuza one question uma ngasuzibuze mhlawumbe ungangiphendula uthanda yena noma uthanda yena nemali yakhe lokho ukuthi umthanda ngobe if ukuthi ube umuntu nje onganalutho you know at all enganamali ubusangamthanda
ngingamthanda indlela engimthanda ngayo ngize ngaxisha ngayibulala indlela engimthanda anginendaba nemali yakhe ngithanda yena
Okay, ngesithando sami. But ngampela awuzama ukuthola umuntu enzokhulumisana naye and nawe futhi ukuzama ukukhulumisana naye because if ukwazi ukuqhubeka uthanda umuntu okuphatha kabuhlungu kanjena nakuwena kukhona into ekwenza ufila ngathi lokuhlukumezeka you know uyakudinga and ku wrong lokho kufanele uzithande uhloniphe ufune only the best for yourself. So if wena ufuna ukumukela lokuhlukumezeka and still ufila like uyamdinga lo muntu kwawena I think uyadinga ukukhuluma nomuntu nje sihlaziyo ukuthi ngabe yini mhlambe yakenzeka.
Okay, asenze njena doc, let's change the part ethi kufanele akhulume nomuntu akathola umuntu ozomcounselisha.
Yes.
So angavuma ukuthi nibone umuntu odokotela noyithu counselor.
Angiboni ukuthi angavuma.
So kodwa ke wena
bayitholele wena.
Yes. Bayidinga wena if usubuya la ku10 usucishe wa take your life you doing it, so we recommend ukuthi ulalele ngasegcineni a number esizokunikeza yona. All right. So people abaseduze kwakho dokotela can do that. 10 babe amaxoki kuwena. They listen to history sakho and the pain you're going through, women in particular and maybe
not
men.
Not necessarily the pain.
But ukuthi bafuna
ukhalela lobumnandi not the pain abakhalela ipain bakhalela lobumnandi okushoyo you know mase bakhalela
lapho ke yena umthando kwangempela
perhaps
uzombona ne
uzombona.
Okay, sure. Good luck Anonymous. We will leave your number as dokotela engasekupheni kohlelo. Say Anonymous entshanga.
Hi sanibona doc.
Sikhona sisi kunjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Yeah, you sound excited.
Ngizoke ngizwe nami ukuthi sisuka from story esibhlungu and I don't think ukuthi
kubhlungu yazi.
Sithinta manonini?
Mina sami simo angathi ngasibeka kanjani but ubhuti ngiku relationship naye. Like wenza almost everything.
Okay.
On top of that bese athi unjenje imali yami. Eceleni ngala mina ngibhizi ngizama ukuthi ngilungise impilo yami ngemali yakhe without him knowing ukuthi ngenze njalo. Angazi noma ngirong because impilo ngiphilisa yona yesi ngiyithanda yabo.
Okay.
Manje unokuthi afuna izinto engayiqondi yabo umdabazi wakhe awukho mnandi bathi nje ngibekezela ukuthi ngithole lento engiyifunayo.
Imake Yima ukwenzisa izinto ongayithandi izinto ibizwa ngamagama kulolu
Davazo phela uyasho nje
umdavazo wakho uyacikizela nje
compared to
compared to my previous partner no Benten Okona.
That's where I was going.
All right, so which is why usebenzisa igama elithi on top of that. Sure. All right, Anonymous.
Okay, now Anonymous, so basically you are using this dude ne if usutholile into zakho ozidingayo nemfanelo zakho uzomlahla
athethi
but then bona ke Anonymous lo muntu njengoba nalezi zinto zokuthi abe yabona imele ethi wena into zami somehow insecure ngoba uyayisenza lento ukuthi wena awuphelele. Number 1 mhlawumbe uyayisenza nokuthi uma kade no Benten wakho ezwe naye ukuthi nangu uyagwiliza lapho ngaphakathi kuwena ukubona so
lo gama.
So somewhere somehow unayo lento yokuyisenza. Now you doing it for your own selfish reasons. So if kuguthi in exchange of giving him umdavazo, that's what you have to do, then you gaining something now at the end.
Yeah, I'm gaining a lot because impilo ngiyiphilayo isharp angifuni uqamba manga. Abasibona samba public nje ku right yonke into si hate si couple nje right.
Yes,
okay.
Why?
Yeah, baby nginxa iquality at this line but we get it. You've been preaching ukuthi ku situation lesikhuluma ngayo. Zama ukuthi ke nawe ube no plan B. It appears ukhona la plan B because already kuno Benten
Obhlungu plan B kodwa ngoba mase kuno Ben 10 then we want the guy is really being used, you know. It's one thing ukuthi uthi abuse lona akam abuse umnikeza yonke into except for Mdavazo ke, you know.
So who is the victim ke makuthi khona victim here?
No, I would say the guy is the guy.
Remember ke what we spoke earlier ukuthi kenzeka umuntu onemali uthola ukuthi yena yeah, oh he victim, all right. So that question I think bengawulindele lo ukuthi compare nobani. Remember ukuthi muzile ukuthi Mdavazo ukho right compare no
well I'm the doctor here.
Okay, sure. Sithatha nama voice notes njalo. Inamba ithi 078-934-2827. 078-934-2827 and uhlelo lolu lalungele ingane and uzoyithola podcast yakho ne video yayo even nalolo last week nama previous one esesike saba nawo yawathola kwi app Gagasi FM.
Hey Doc no Alex, ay cha bandla sazisasha ilaba abantu bethu abanemali. Umuntu nje ayibo umuntu enakho konke ahluleke ukondla ingane. Nami nje ngileso simo nje. Ayibo ibhlungu nje into. Umuntu afuna ukuchoma nje kodwa nje ingane lutho ebe nakho konke we.
Ngibingelele Doc no Alex utalent lo wakazamisa ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu ku Doc ngayafika ku Doc nginenkinga wangisiza u Doc yonke into isihamba kahle ngifuna ukushisa abantu abaye emeduleshini liyatholakala usizo.
Sanibonani ngicela uba anonymous igama ngithi nama ke ngiphawule nje ngalolu hlelo olusiza abantu nami ngalalela eGagasini uhlelo ngase ngilalelisa nobaba ekhaya ngoba nathi sinenkinga ubaba wahamba ke wasizakala kakhulu kumanje nje injabulo iyachichima ekhaya usizakela ubaba uhambile wayedla treatment mehluko omkhulu kakhulu.
Bandla sibonke. Siyabonga. Sibeka lana ke conversation yethu as
that was too quickie.
Yeah. Sometimes jalo ke omunye umuntu uthi quick kathi lo omunye bese ebuza uthi fika nini egcineni. So realities. Kubhlungu. Do you also have a story that you think asigagasi khulumi as a topic? Feel free to engage us and siba anonymous sonke la. So we will not disclose your identity. You can email indaba@gagasi995.co.za. indaba@gagasi995.co.za. I-topic of isuthi sikhulume ngayo. Total uyatholakala efonini?
Hillcrest, Semi-Delusion, number 031-765-8475. Ngizoyiphinda 031-765-8475. Cell phone 061-4622-945. Akuyona yami ye-office.
Nice. Ngithanda indlela ongibambe ngayo lapho.
Ngibambe ngayo. Yeah, it's because isilungisa induku, everything, relationships.
Manje you make it sound like induku yami nenkinga.
Yeah.
Bengikhuluma ngendlela obambe ngayo.
Ngibambe into yakho yini la noma ngibambe imic. Uthi mic lena i-round igcwele isandla sami.
Ingekabani yona. Ingakabani. Angizwa?
Gagasi.
Oh, thank you very much. Okay, sure. 20 hours meaning ukuthi sesingena ke ku hip hop, Mdavazo hip hop all the way. Sikhomba phezulu kuze ke show 10 with Asante no Lab. Indaba was produced by Mthembu Mabasi, Alex Mthiyane, Sino Dog. City Shelele. Freaky Thursday.
On Mondays at 7, talk to Alex. Indaba, talking my business is into. Nazo zonke indaba zabasha.